Hi everyone, continue with the video tutorial for Word document. Today we're gonna start how to save the file and how to open a file, because we have been playing with the clipboard phone but we never told you how to save it or how to open the file. Only we'll show you a few things how to create the new file when you open Word document. So let's start. For this one, let's say hello, and today we will learn how to save a file. So to save a file, we have this icon here, save, or we can type Ctrl S and we will save the file, or we go here in the top file, then we go save, then we get all the paths that we can play for today, or we can browse the documents, or we can go here and take a folder from this PC, and here we put the name of the file. Here we choose the format. I will explain later some of them, how to use them. And now let's click in browser, because maybe you want to find a file in your documents or in any particular folder you want. So here, as you know, Windows give you this quick access. So for this example, let's take desktop. Let's put example to save document, then we save it. Now we have saved the document. We can see here on top in the middle, example to save document as the file. Then we have the format docx, and then we see here that is saying that our file is saved. To use the autosave, you need to use the cloud. So for this one, when I start changing something in the file, we see here on the middle, on the top, that now it doesn't say saved. That means we have modified our file but we didn't save. So we can click here, save. Now we have saved to this PC. Okay, and then here we can use Ctrl S. So we have used all of the things how to open the file. So we click Windows, Word document, and we wanna open new one, blank. So let's close this one. So now here we go to file, then we go to open, then we go browser, and then we go to desktop, and we find our file. We can filter here. If you want to filter, we'll show you only the documents you want to filter, and then we take our file and we click open, and it will open our file. So this is how you save your file, how you open your file in Word document. If you have any question, any doubt how to do it, because maybe you didn't understand, or you want to learn more specific way, or more slowly, or more details, I can do it, but please type your comments. Please subscribe to the channel, leave your comment, give it a like, share the video with people you think they want to learn more about Word documents. And that's all for this video.